Have you seen a
Yes.
vegetable seller?
Yes, ma'am.
उनके पास आपने देखा वो वेजिटेबल कैसे सेल करते हैं? आज सारे के सारे वेजिटेबल वाले भैया बनोगे. Okay?
So, ma'am,
Okay.
this is our business.
Yes, today
Ma'am,
this is your business. Today you have to wait something. आपको जैसे शॉपकीपर सेल समथिंग 50 ग्राम 100 ग्राम 200 ग्राम वैसे यू हैव टू आज सब बनेंगे शॉपकीपर्स. Today
Yes,
everyone will become shopkeepers.
I don't have a team balance.
Okay, and what you have to do, you have to measure any two things. Today the activity is like this. Let's do one activity. Very good, Ashray. Very nice. See, let's see, Ashray. एक भैया तो आ गया हमारे पास सब्जी वाले भैया. Okay, let's see, Ashray. कहाँ गया Ashray?
Ma'am, but after screen is black.
Just
Ma'am, can you suggest after?
फिर अक्षत. Where is Ashray? Ashray, please raise your hand. I'm not able to see you. Where is he gone? Okay, now I see you. Okay, ठीक है. He's spotlighted. Yes, as you can see, here is one भैया of ours. उसे नीचे रख दो बेटा, गिर जाओगे. Sit down. Camera नीचे कर लो. Shift your camera down. Sit down. आराम से बैठो. Now he is going to sell vegetables to us.
Ma'am, should I bring vegetables?
हाँ, you are. No need to bring the vegetables. Show me the beam balance. Show us the beam balance. Stand just show. Without weights. Everyone just
Okay,
look at Ashray.
Okay, ma'am.
Show us the beam balance.
Ma'am, see.
So see, this is the beam balance. Yes. Okay. If you have how many 500 gram weight you have? 500 gram के कितने weights है आपके पास?
Ma'am, only one.
Only one.
Ma'am, this one.
Okay. Only one is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. और बाकी कौन से? Tell me.
Ma'am, one is of 200 grams.
Okay.
One is of. Ma'am, I have 200 of 22.
200 22 हो गया. 100 का है कोई?
Yes, ma'am, I have.
Okay. You have 100. अब एक काम करो. Put 1 kg on one scale, one side.
Ma'am, 1 kg?
On one side. He is putting 1 kg on one side. And put 500, 200, 200 and 100 on the other side. 5 का 1, 2 का 1, 2 के 2, sorry 200 gram के 2 and 1 का 1.
Ma'am, it is equal.
Just show them. Show the others. See here, everyone just see, look at Ashray. It is coming equal. Why? How is it coming equal? See, he is not holding it properly. Actually, it is quite heavy. तो उससे hold नहीं हो रहा है बेटा. तो see, it is coming equal. Yes. Can you see everyone? Okay, Ashray, sit down. Everyone, can you see Ashray's balance? What Ashray? अब आप मुझे दिखाओ आपने one side पे क्या रखा था?
Ma'am, I put one side 1 kg.
Okay.
Down and
Yes.
another side.
बैठ जाओ बेटा, बैठ जाओ, गिर जाओगे. Sit down. बस show कर दो on the camera. That's it. Show us on the camera. अरे बेटा निकाल लो उसमें से ऐसे. Yes, 1 kg एक साइड पर रखा है आश्रय ने. 2 और ग्राम्स में आपने कितने रखे हैं आश्रय? Can you tell me how many?
Ma'am, I put one side only 1 kg.
Very
Sorry,
good.
ma'am, 1 gram. And
Okay.
and another side. And another side, these all.
Okay. These all. What are these? Can you tell me their names? 500 gram.
Ma'am, there is 500 gram, 1 gram.
Very good.
100 gram.
Very
and
good.
500, 200.
200, 200, 100 टोटल कितने हो गए?
Ma'am, I have 200, 100,
टोटल कितना हो गया?
200.
200.
Ma'am, total?
हाँ,
500 plus 200.
टोटल कितना हो गया?
Ma'am, 700.
700. 700 तो नहीं हुआ, चेक करो। जो आपने दूसरी साइड रखे थे
Ma'am, 1
weights।
kg.
नहीं नहीं, 1 kg हटा दो, 1 kg हटा दो। आपने दूसरी साइड पे जो रखे थे वो बताओ मुझको।
Ma'am, it is 500, 600, 700, 800, 900,
1000।
1000.
1000 नहीं होता है, 1000 होता है।
Ma'am, 1000.
1000 ग्राम। सो उसका टोटल कितना हो गया? उसने दूसरी साइड कितना रखा था? 1000 ग्राम। अब आश्रय अभी नहीं, आफ्टर द क्लास आप मुझे फोटो क्लिक करके भेज देना। आपने 1 kg एक साइड रखा हुआ है और बाकी जो ग्राम्स के अलग अलग रखना, नीट एंड क्लीन, जिसमें आपको क्लियरली दिखाई देगा कि कितने कितने। यू कैन सेंड मी
Ma'am.
आफ्टर द क्लास, ओके? सो 1 kilometers में देयर आर 1000 meters, सिमिलरली हियर, ओके? Okay, now let me show you.
With I am not a balance
Okay,
and wait.
let it be, then don't do it. Let it be. Okay. Now see here. Now we are going to start the exercise 9.8. Take out your mathsware notebooks, everyone. Now, mathsware notebooks. Mathsware notebook. Exercise 9.8 we are going to do. Exercise 9.8. Okay. Question number 8. Right, change the following into graph. Acha, before writing this, at the top write 1 kg is equals to 1000 grams. 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 grams. Write this at the top. Write question A. Change into grams. Change into grams. Okay, first question is 6 kilogram. So beta, what will you do? Kilogram is big or gram is big? अब तो समझ आ गया होगा. Since you have seen the weight sizes, Ashray has shown us, so which is bigger? Kilogram is bigger or gram is bigger?
Gram.
Gram is bigger. Gram किलोग्राम का वेट बेटा 1 था. तो when we have to change bigger unit to
Ma'am,
smaller
can I
unit,
send the photo now?
we will multiply. हाँ, you can send it beta, but who will do this work? Ashray, you have to do this work also, na? So answer will be 6000 gram. Okay. Now second question is 10 gram, 10 kilogram, 10 kilogram. Question 3 is 4 kg, 450 gram. Fourth question is 5 kg, 20 gram. Do these questions. This one I'm telling you, last one. Last one जैसे ये भी होगा, जैसे ये भी होगा. 9 kg is equals to 9 multiplied by 1000, 9000 gram plus 9 gram, which is equals to 9009 gram. ऐसे कर लो, इसको डायरेक्टली कर लो. 9000 is equals to 9000 gram. Okay, do like this.
Ma'am, I think we have done this before.
बेटा वो kilometers to meters वाला था. This is grams and kilograms.
Ma'am, I know how to do. These are too easy. send my activity.
Yes, I got it.
Ma'am, we have to post on the group.
Kya beta? This one? Yes, you have to post it.
Okay, ma'am.
अभी नहीं post करना है. After writing question B, not now. After doing the question B also, then you have to post it on the group. अभी नहीं करना post बेटा.
मैम मैं वो
After
तो
doing
वॉशरूम.
question B.
वो तो वॉशरूम.
What beta?
वॉशरूम.
Washroom, okay. Yes, you can go. Okay, Yatharth. Yatharth. Yatharth.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, explain me this question.
Ma'am, first
Yatharth, I'm not getting your voice. I think you're speaking, but I'm not. It's not audible here. Yatharth.
six
Beta, tell me the second one. Tell me the second one. How to solve the second one, Yatharth? Tell me how to solve the second one.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
10 multiplied 1000 gram is equal to 10,000 gram.
Very good. Very nice. Okay. Okay, who else has done? Raise your hand in the chat. Oh, sorry, in the video. Video में raise करो.
मैम
Chat box.
only my fifth
I
question.
am not asking who किसका कितना रह गया या कितना उसका हो गया है. Just raise your hand in the on the camera. कैमरे पे hand raise, कैमरा पे hand raise करो. Then only I'll ask you. Okay, Samarth, can you explain me the second one, beta?
4,000 gram plus
Very
450
good.
gram.
Plus 450 grams. So what will be that sum of this?
4,450 gram.
4,450 gram. Very good. Now who else has done? Okay, Manya also has done. अभी मैं देख लेती हूँ बेटा. Let me check who else has done. Do it quickly, everyone. Okay, Yash, नहीं यश मत नहीं. Manya.
Ma'am 5 kg plus 20.
5 kg आ रहा है. 5 kg again. 5 kg को 5 kg लिख दो दोबारा से. Tell me.
5 grams
5
plus
gram.
20.
5 gram आएगा बेटा. 5 kg कितने की के इक्वल होगा? First tell me. 5 kg is equals to how much?
Ma'am 5 kg is equal to 5,000.
5,000 gram. 5,000 gram. Okay. And plus
5,000
20 gram.
plus
So total कितना हो
20
जाएगा
gram.
ये? What will be the total of this?
5,020
Gram. Very good. Arkan, you are also correct. Very good. Okay. Everyone just copy down quickly. I'm going to send it on WhatsApp.
Ma'am, that
We'll do the next
ma'am,
question.
that Ashya Agarwal.
I will send it on WhatsApp. Okay. I'll share it on WhatsApp also. Afterwards. Oops. Okay. Done, all of you? Do it quickly. If you have done any mistake also, then
ma'am.
also correct it. Now, beta, can you tell me if we have 3000 gram, how much kg it would be? 3000 ग्राम आपने कलेक्ट कर लिए, तो कितने किलोग्राम हो जाएंगे?
Ma'am, can I tell 3 kg?
Yes, Akshat, you can tell. Very good, Akshat. आज तुमने सही से बोला है. हाँ, Akshat, tell.
Ma'am, 3 kg.
3 kg. If you have 4000 gram, then how many kg it would be?
4 kg.
5000. 5000
kg.
5000
5 kg. Ma'am, 5.
If you have let me see everyone, let me see your faces also. If you have, keep your cameras also on. If you have 8000 gram,
Ma'am, 8 kg. 8 kg.
8 kgs, very good. Okay, all of you have to speak, everyone has to speak it. सबको बोलना है कितना आया. Okay, if you have, even if your this is off, camera, sorry, even if your mic is off, तब भी आप बोल दो, I can see your faces speaking. Okay, I can see your faces speaking. I'm looking at you people only. Okay, tell me if you have 3000 gram and 3500 gram.
Ma'am,
3500 ग्राम तो कितने किलोग्राम्स हो गए आपके पास?
3 kg 50 grams. 3 kg 5 grams. 3 kg 5 grams.
5 ग्राम नहीं होगा बेटा, 5 ग्राम नहीं होगा, 500 grams. 3 kg and 500 grams. Okay, now look here. I'm going to rub this. I will send this on WhatsApp. Don't worry about it.
500 grams.
See, I will send it on WhatsApp. Don't worry about it. जिसका रह गया है, leave it. वो बाद में कर लेना. I'll send it on WhatsApp. मैं इसको WhatsApp पर भेज दूंगी. See here. As everyone is saying to me, just look here everyone. क्या हुआ? मैंने आपसे पूछा 3000 अगर आपके पास ग्राम्स है, तो आपके पास कितने केजीज? आपने 3000 ग्राम्स कलेक्ट कर लिए, तो आपके पास कितने केजीज होंगे? So you said how much?
3 kg.
You said 3 kgs. Now आश्रय को ही ले लेते हैं. अभी आश्रय के ने 3000 ग्राम कलेक्ट कर लिया था, वो 3 kgs के इक्वल हो गए. लेकिन अब आश्रय के पास क्या हुआ? अब आश्रय के पास 3000 और उसने 500 ग्राम्स भी अरेंज कर लिए. 3000 और 500 हो गए ग्राम्स. तो 3000 ग्राम तो 3 kgs हो
3
गए. और
kg
जो
500 grams.
इसने क्या किया?
500.
बेटा listen here. Listen to me. Instead of speaking, listen to me. So it will be 3000 gram plus 500 gram.
एक इधर कर दो बस.
3000 ग्राम उसने अलग कर लिए, 500 ग्राम्स अलग कर लिए उसने. क्यों 3000 क्यों अलग कर लिया उसने? 3000 का वेट अलग कर लिया. 3000 का उसने वेट अलग कर लिया, so it will be 3 kgs. और जो 500 अलग किए वो 500 grams. Got it? Now let me tell you some more examples of it. See, suppose he is having now 2250 grams. तो उसने क्या किया? 2250 grams थे उसके पास, तो उसने क्या किया? 2000 grams अलग कर लिए और 250 grams को अलग कर लिया. ठीक है, तो 2000 ग्राम कितने हो गए?
2 kg 2
2 kg.
2 kg 250
Understood? Understood everyone? समझ आ गया क्या करना है?
Yes ma'am.
समझ आ गया ना क्या करना है? Any
Yes,
doubts?
No ma'am.
Okay, write question B जल्दी से, quickly. Write question B. Change into kilograms and grams. Change into kilograms and grams. Right, question number 1. 5, 7, 6, 5 ग्राम. इसको कैसे करोगे? 5765 ग्राम. वेट अ मिनट, 5700 ले लेते हैं फर्स्ट वाले को. लेट इट बी इजी वन. 5700 ग्राम. तो आप क्या करोगे? 5000 इसने अलग कर लिया है और 700 अलग कर लिया. 5000 ग्राम को अलग कर लिया, 700 grams को अलग कर लिया. तो 5000 ग्राम will be equals to 5 kgs and 700 gram will be 700 gram. Now write question 2. Question 2 you will do yourself. 8085 gram. Question 3 is 9155 gram. Fourth question is 8000 gram. Fifth question is 97060. Do all 5 of them. Jaldi se. In the same exercise अभी आपको question C दे रखा है, बिल्कुल exactly इसी की तरह दे रखा है. So we will not do question C now of this chapter. Is this exercise? क्योंकि question B और C same है. ठीक है, उसके आगे लिख लेना बुक में question C is same as question B. जब same है तो क्या करोगे करके, है ना? दोनों same ही same questions हैं.
Ma'am, now please tell the answers. The class is going to be over.
Yes, I'm going to tell. Okay, who has done? Raise your hands. Those who have done, just raise your hands.
Mama, I have Yatharth.
Yatharth, I didn't say. Don't speak your name. I said, just open your camera and show your hands over there. Open your camera and show your hands over there. Okay, Yuvraj Gupta. Yuvraj Gupta. Open your mic. Okay, Yuvraj Gupta. Tell me how to do the second one.
Ma'am, 8000 gram
Yes.
plus 85 gram.
Very good. आप 085 भी कर सकते हो, आप 85 भी कर सकते हो. 8000 gram will be 8 kgs. Yes. Then
8 kg and 85 gram.
very good. Very good. Okay, you can write 085 also and you can write 85 also. Okay. And then who else has done? Raise your hands again. Raise your hands again. Jaskaran, open your mic. How Arpit is present today? My God, how is it possible? Jaskaran.
Gram is equal to 8000 gram.
Third one, Jaskaran. बेटा आराम से third वाला पूछ रही हूँ.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, 9000 gram plus 155 gram is equals to 9
184 gram.
Ma'am,
Plus?
I have saved 100. Ma'am, 155 gram.
Okay, 155 gram, which will be equals to how much?
Is equals to 9 kg 155 gram.
Okay. Okay, next. Akshta. Akshta. Fourth one, jaldi se batao.
800 grams plus grams.
बेटा 800 तो करेंगे ही नहीं, 100 ग्राम में हमें बनाना ही नहीं है.
Ma'am, 8,000.
8,000 grams, so it will be 8,000 gram plus 0 gram if you'll write, or you can directly write 8 kg for this. आपको पता है 8,000 ग्राम 8 kgs होता है, तो आप डायरेक्टली लिख सकते हो. ओके, सिंस टाइम इज लेस तो मैं जल्दी से बता दे रही हूँ. बेटा टाइम कम है तो मैं जल्दी से बता दे रही हूँ. तो आंसर विल बी 7 kg and 60 gram. The meeting
Ma'am,
is going
Ma'am, I have write it like this. Ma'am, 8,000 gram is equals to 8 kg.
Okay. Okay, beta. So I'll send you on WhatsApp after few minutes, I'll send you on WhatsApp. Okay?
Ma'am, I read directly.
Okay, beta. It's all right.
Ma'am, write directly. I write 8,000 grams plus 0 gram.